Munini wa President KITHURE KINDIKI aritie mĩario ĩno rĩrĩa gũcemanitie na atongoria kuma rũgongo rwa bũrũri gĩikaro-inĩ kĩnene gĩake Karen, mũcemanio ũrĩa ũkũrongoreirie ũthii wa na mbere.
Our roads program had stalled.
Kindiki augĩte mũtaratara wa kwarahũra kaunti ciothe hatarĩ mũthutukanio nĩ ikinya thirikari ĩteharĩire gũtiganĩria, akiuga mabarabara, thitima na waki wa nyũmba cia raithi nĩ imwe cia tabarĩra ya thirikari ĩgũtwara rũgongo rwa bũrũri, akiuga barabara ya kuma Isiolo gũthiĩ Mandera nĩ imwe ya iria irathiĩ na mbere.
So I'm very happy with some of those policy interventions around the IDs and the discriminatory practices that were there. It's made some people uncomfortable, as it should, because of course if you are sectarian, you will not be comfortable with some of the things that we do for the sake of forging nationhood.
Nona thengia ya gũcemania na mbũkĩrĩra thutha wa mũmbunge wa Kiharu Ndĩnyora kũregana na mũbango wa mwĩgitio na ngombo ũkinyanĩria tabarĩra cia thirikari, Kindiki arauga ĩno noyo njĩra ya kũhanyũkia ũkinyanĩria wa waki wa barabara.
I'm a great advocate of inclusion, equity and the indivisibility of Kenya, and I believe every part of Kenya needs to be treated equally, and the places that have lagged behind need affirmative action from government.
Athiĩte na mbere gũtũgĩria ũkinyanĩria wa mũbango ũgima wa mwĩrĩ wa SHA, gũkũ ningĩ akĩranĩra thirikari nĩ ĩkũnyorokia mĩhang'o ya wendia wa ndawa na unyagia wa rungu rwa KEMSA.
If we can put diagnostic equipment in those lower level hospitals, and then also the changes that we are making on the supply of medical drugs, so that we don't send drugs to counties, because county headquarters, you create another bureaucracy. So now we are aligning medicines to the institution. So the medicine goes directly to the health center, to the hospital from Nairobi, from KEMSA.
Mwena-inĩ wao ambunge kuma rũgongo rwa bũrũri maugĩte President Ruto no wa matiina meeri amũkuma wĩyathi nĩ hĩndĩ maraigua ũrugarĩ wa ũthii wa na mbere.
What we want is we want him to come back, we want this government to come back, and we want all those projects and programs to take off. And for us, for the first time in 63 years, now is when we consider ourselves the citizens of this country.
You are aware there are individuals who have taken time to profile this community, the community that we represent, including calling us Al-Shabaab, including questioning some of the deliberate government policies. This is the time to push back that narrative to whoever has said, because and you understand the extent of what some friends have said from the US, wherever they are, I think we need to come out boldly and say we are not anybody's guest. We are not second-class citizens.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mwaura wa Ndung'u.